Today we are teaching you the LCM and HCF of different numbers. Mainly we are using two methods to find the LCM and HCF. First method is prime factorization method. In this method we find the factors of different method and then we take the common factors. See by example, suppose we are finding the LCM of 28, 70 and 84. So first of all we will do the factor of 28, that is 2 1 is 2, 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14. Factors of 70 is, we will divide by 2, so 35 will come, then we will divide by 5, so 7 will come. Now we will do the factor of 84, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, again it is divisible by 2, so we will do by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Now 21 is not divisible by 2, so we will divide it by next prime number, that is 3. 3 7 is 21. Now 7 is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by only 7. Now these factors we will write here. 28 equals to 2 into 2 into 7. 70 equals to 2 into 5 into 7. 84 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now for finding LCM, we will see in these numbers which have maximum 2. For example, 28 have 2 times 2s and 70 has only 1 time and it is also have 2 times 2. So we will take maximum number of 2s, that is 2. So 2 2s we will write there. Now same thing we will do for 3. There is only 1 3, so we will write 3. Then next number is 5, so we will write 5. Then 7. Now we will multiply it. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 into 5, so 60, and 60 into 7 equals to 420. So 420 will be the LCM of these numbers. Now suppose we have to find HCF. So up to this, finding the prime factors of different numbers method is same. Now in finding HCF, we will take the common factors. That is 1 2 is common in these all. So 1 2 we will take. Now there is another 2, but there is not 2. So we will not take now another 2. Now common number is only 7 now. 3 and 5 is also not in all. So that's why we will take 7. 7 is common there. This. So HCF will be 2 into 7 equals to 14. Now same problems I am telling you by long division method. For finding the LCM by long division method, we will write these all numbers 28, 70 and 84. Now starting from 2, we will see it is divisible. If any number is divisible by 2, then we will divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 35, 42. Now again this 14 is divisible by 2, so we will do by 2. 2 7 is 14. 35 is not divisible, so we will write it as it is. And 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Now in that any number is not dividing by 2, so we will check by 3 now. This 21 is divisible by 3, so we will divide it by now 3. 7 is not divisible, so we will write as it is. 35 is not divisible, so we will write as it is. 3 7 ja 21. Now after 3, now 3 by 3 it is not divisible, so we will check by next prime number, that is 5. 7 is not divisible, so we will write as it is. 5 7 ja 35, and 7 is again not divisible, so we will write as it is. Now we will divide by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. Now in LCM we will multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, and 60 into 7 equals to 420. So 420 is LCM of these numbers. Now see how we will find the HCF by division method. In division we will divide 28 by 70. So 28 2 ja 56. Remainder is 14. Now this quotient become their divisor. This divisor will become their dividend. So 14 2 ja 28. We will divide these two numbers till we will get remainder 0. Now remainder is 0, so we will stop the dividing. Now in that